push that, and then lift this one up. Forward.
It's me, Larry.
And then same to the other side. Just the other side. Just down the other side. And just. That's it.
Good job.
Keep all the two together.
Look after your tools, and the tools will look after you.
And the easier way to remove the wheel is to go behind. That's the trick. Tools. Make sure you don't damage your this. So you need to have something softer here. Just pull through there. Yeah. Just put another hole there. Just a little bit of your leg power. That's it. And then just you can do, or you can just kick it. There you go. Goes to me.
10 out of 10.
That way, because it's gonna fit this way. So put it there,
Lovely.
and you just need these two tools. Day off, go home. Boom.
Yes.
Tools, just that way. Push through one way this side. See that? Get hold of this here, and then just position yourself. Push, leg. 1, 2, 3, push, and then up. You have to be strong like Charlie.
Ta-da! Strong, like Charlie.
You had a day off. Come back.
He's back.
You're back.
Did you have a nice rest?
Did you have a nice race?
Did you do some skating? That was good.
Yeah, I think you had a nice.
It was a nice time.
This, can you say this is out? All in, that's it. Just make sure you just align it, then. So now you're.
I can do that. I can do that. Yeah, I can. Screw back in.
Screw back.
Screw
There you go.
fix.
Right. The other way. Same side. Screw back in. Yeah, there you go. Right. Yeah. You need a little tool like this. This is a professional tool, but you can buy something cheaper online or somewhere. Yeah, again, you can make it. There you go. Look at this here. It goes that way. This goes there. Tail bit. And then push it in and then give it a shot. Boom.
Beautiful.
You get something like this. You just clip from there like this, come out like that. So it goes like that way. So here, you remember the word boom. Karate chop.
Magic word. Boom. Chop,
Come
chop.
on.
I'll chop.
Ready.
Boom.
Look there. Just test it.
Yay.
That's it. It's done.
Another high
that's how
BSW.
you-
High
that's-
BSW production.